excited to hear who she is? This beautiful lady has such a warm heart. She's well traveled around the world in her pursuit of finding her home. When she found Cape Town, she never left, and she's been living in Cape Town for the last, I think it's 10 years. She's been with Herbalife 23 years in the business. She's the president's team member that has a huge achievement. She's achieved a 2 million Lifetime Achievers Award. For those new guys in the room, just means that she's helped a lot of people get started on the program and change their lives. So guys, get out of your seats, give her all the energy that she deserves. She's done an incredible slot this morning, and help us welcome our president's team member, VIVA Corey!